Tara, magluto tayo ng sopas. Pinaglagaan to ng manok. Yan, mantika, asin, paminta, macaroni, evaporated milk, chicken na nilaga na natin. Ayan, may carrots, onion and garlic. Yeah. Kasi wala na akong butter. Optional naman. Kung may butter kayo, much better. Eh, walang butter, kaya mantika na lang. Okay. Let's go. Magluto na tayo ng sopas. So, itaas mo kasi yung mantika. Bawang. Medyo nag-brown na ang ating bawang, kaya lalagyan na natin ang ating sibuyas. And then, isunod natin ang ating chicken. So, isusunod na natin tong, of course, itong ating macaroni. Na hinugasan ko, syempre. Ilalagay na natin ang ating chicken stock. Yung ating pinagpakuluan ng manok. Para mas masarap. Wow! Another one. Mineral pa rin. Okay. So, hayaan muna natin kumulo. Wow, natuyuan na siya. Lalagyan ulit natin ng tubig para sa bawang. Kasi ang sopas talagang matakaw sa tubig. Then, lalagyan na rin natin ng carrot. Carrots. So then, what exactly happened? Well, here I have all the cards. Then, yung asin. Then, paminta. Black pepper. Pamintang durog para masarap. May kunting kagat-kagat.
Well, there we go. That is the video that finally we made it to the end. I hope you really
Dagdag pa tayo ng sabaw pa kasi masarap to eh. At ilalagay na rin natin ang evap.
Driving decarbonization matters to us. Infineon is a pioneer in power modules and has set the standard for the industry. With their new developments in silicon carbide and GaN, we have high expectations that they will drive the market.
Pag ito ay kumulo, saka natin ilalagay yung repolyo. Panghuli yung repolyo. Nice one.
The Porsche 964 Turbo is one.
Yan, kumukulo na siya. So, ilalagay na natin ang repolyo. Okay. Isang kulo na lang yan.
and rating. I don't really need it since Sage and Jack are already doing so much straight. So all we need is to be the version style, which both are. So boom, this is the video here. This thing, man, it looks clean. I'm not gonna lie, like in the sun, man, like the paint is so clean on it. Like this actually is so clean. Yeah, so I want to show you guys the speed. Honestly, we're gonna do a quick speed.
That's it. Sopas.
That's actually crazy. We got Gap. Matter of fact, we got more than Gap. I can't even see that no more. But hey, it was expected, alright? It was a Hennessy Venom GT. It was probably zero chance I was even gonna win. But I guess we kind of did alright at the beginning. We kind of kept up on our launch. Our launch is amazing, like I said. But yeah, they said we got gapped by the Hennessy Venom GT. So I couldn't really find any other people to race. But that's pretty much all for this video. This is the Nissan GTR Drag.
Gusto ko yung ano, yung hindi ko masyadong niluluto yung repolyo at carrots. Yung medyo ano pa sila, medyo crispy.
We don't go back to back shifts.